Today I want to show you a new feature that we have on our application, which is called Deactivate Listing, and I'm gonna get right into it. First thing you do, this is the desktop version, and wanted to make sure that I wanted to show you also on the desktop. There's one on the video about this exact thing for the mobile version, which will also be on our YouTube channel. But this is on the desktop, as you can see. First thing you want to do is make sure you go to turnautomotive.com, you sign in, and you get right into it. So you want to click Sell, and then you want to click My Buy Now Make Offer. All right, and then you have some cars here that say Deactivate Listing. As you can see, there's this tab that says Deactivate Listing. Now remember, if you deactivate the listing, you will forfeit any offers that are on the table for that specific vehicle. So what that means is that if there's a customer, if there's a buyer that placed an offer while it's in the Buy Now Make Offer status, you will forfeit that offer. Remember, a vehicle gets to Buy Now Make Offer if no one hit the reserve, and it will stay in Buy Now Make Offer status for 4 days. So for example, let's say you simply retailed the vehicle, or something happened to the car that you just don't want to sell it straight through the application, which could happen sometimes. And we now give you the option to deactivate the listing without you having to wait the 4 days for it to come down. All right, so let's check out this Chrysler PT. So what you want to do is click Deactivate Listing, and it will give you a pop-up making sure. Please note that once the listing has been deactivated, all offers will be voided. The listing will move to your expired listings tab and can be relisted again. So once you click yes, it'll come out. Great. Now you can refresh listing right there by clicking that. It's gone. So now you want to do is go back to sell, go to expired, and now it's back in your expired. I have a separate video on relisting the vehicle, so you can see that video in our YouTube channel. I won't go through it in this video because then the video will be too long. But if you go to our YouTube channel, Turn Automotive, you will see the specific video on relisting and edit and relisting vehicles there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You have a good one. Bye-bye.